Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can enable Safe Search filter in Chrome. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. First thing you need to do is to open Chrome application on your device. You will find the three dots at the top right corner, tap on it, and then you need to scroll a bit where you will find the settings option, tap on that. It will bring you to this menu. And you need to scroll a bit where you will find privacy and security. You need to tap on that. In this menu, you need to scroll a bit where you will find safe browsing under security. You need to tap on that. And here, as you can see, it is set on no protection. So all you need to do is to make it enhanced protection. Then go back. I want you to change one more settings. You will find the option use secure DNS. Tap on it. And here, choose another provider. And there is a drop down arrow, tap on it and it will expand. And from here, you need to choose clean browsing family filter. So once you tap on that, that is it. From now on, you have enabled Safe Search filter in Chrome. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.